Welcome to another video. Today we have a very special guest all the way from Livermore, California, a very young entrepreneur, second generation owner of Blue Max Window Tinting and expanding his own brand at Sosa Tints. Let's welcome Fernando Camaro, aka Sosa. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good, good. Yourself?
Just chilling. I'm out in the city. Had to stop by.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I already feel you. Hey, yo, something feels off though.
What's that?
Man, you gotta join our group today.
Say less.
All right, much more better, a lot more clean, a lot more fresh. Now let's get going and talk about business.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what's up, man? What you been up to?
Lately, I've been working on a lot of Teslas, a lot of EVs and new ones that are coming out. For example, the Lucid Air. You know, they all have large amount of windows that you're at risk for exposing to the UV rays. You want to tint your windows so you get protected, not get skin damage, you name it.
All right, man. Yeah, that's amazing, man. I definitely agree with that. You know, a lot of these electric vehicles, Teslas and stuff like that, new cars that are coming out, they're definitely going to be blowing a lot of battery life, especially for the air conditioning. But the good part is that we do offer XPEL XR and XR Plus, which are the ceramic films that we do offer. They'll definitely prolong the battery life of your vehicle, causing less of that air conditioning because you're going to be a lot more protected. So apart from that, man, what's up? Are we gonna see each other at SEMA, any tinting events or anything like that, man?
Yeah, I'll see you there at SEMA show. You know, I'm gonna be competing. So
okay,
it'll be
man.
a good time.
Oh man, definitely. It's always a good time at SEMA. Let's see how it is this time, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, and also, you know, I have my shop over there in California, the Bay Area. If you ever want to stop by, welcome.
Yeah, for sure, man. We can definitely go ahead and have a collab or something over there. It's definitely gonna be nice. But for sure, man, I'll go ahead and see you in the next vlog then. And then I wish you all my luck. Blessings for you and your family.
You too, man. Stay up.
You too. And well, yeah, man, that go ahead and concludes it, guys, for this video. Apart from that, I would definitely like to give him a shout out. You know, I'll go ahead and link his ad in the bio and everything like that. And that's the beauty of our industry. The tint industry is definitely a loving community. We're all closely knit together, and we would definitely love to expand. We not only have relationships here in Arizona, but also in California and Las Vegas, which is definitely amazing relationships, especially when we go ahead and go to these type of events. We see each other, nice greeting, nice catch up and everything like that. So we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. And remember to look cool and stay cool.